Good morning, children. This is class 5th PVS book. Let's do reading of lesson 7, Water and its Sources. Water is the most important form of nourishment for all forms of life. We can survive without food for several weeks, but it is not possible to live without water for more than a few days. Water in its pure form has no smell, color and taste. It appears to be an ordinary substance, but its importance in our lives is extraordinary. It supports life through its various uses. We use water for drinking, cooking as a source of energy, for transportation, for growing crops, for producing electricity, etc. Sources of water. The various places where water is stored on the earth's surface are the water bodies. Rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans are the various water bodies. Water covers more than 2/3 of the earth's surface. We use pumps and wells to get underground water. Rainfall is the major source of water on the earth. Rain is one of the main sources of water on the earth. Rainwater falls into water bodies such as ponds, lakes, etc. Rainwater falls on the ground, it seeps in and becomes underground water. We dig wells, tube wells, hand pumps, etc. to get the underground water. In cold places, rain falls as snow. In the summer, this melts into water and flows down to form streams and rivers. Water in our homes. In most houses, especially in cities, water comes through pipes. The water is obtained from a nearby water body and sent to a water treatment plant. Once treated and purified, the water is distributed throughout the town or cities by pipes. This is how we get water. A jal boat, water tankers come to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a queue to get water from the tanker. People at times have fights over water. We have put a pump directly in the jal boat's pipeline. Now we don't have any problem. We get water at home for half an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. We have put a motor to pump up the water from the well, but there is no electricity. So what do? We get water from our taps all day long. There is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. We have to buy water for drinking. We get water from the canal itself. We fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up a year ago. Now we have to walk to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste.